Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make traditional pork dumplings. Now for the ingredients. Get 1 kilogram of ground pork, 60 grams of sliced scallions, half a head of diced cabbage, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of any Chinese cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, just a bit of ground pepper, one teaspoon of garlic. After all of that, mix all of it together with your hand or any mixing tool of your choice. Keep mixing until you get this mixture. This took me about 1 hour, so I'm gonna teach you how to wrap dumplings. Get the wrapper. Get half a tablespoon of your meat mixture. Then you place it on your dumpling wrapper. Make sure it's at the center of the wrapper. Now, make sure it's flat on your hand. Now, put one of your fingers in a bowl of water, then slide that across the wrapper's edges. Now, fold one side to the other, and then push that together so it sticks. Then, make sure all of the air is out, so none of the dumpling wrapper, so it doesn't blow up when you cook it. Now, get one end, put a bit of water on the other. Now, put them together, and now you have a wrapped dumpling. It should look like this. This is what you should have if you finished wrapping everything. Now for the cooking. Get a pot of water. Now have difficulty opening the flame because you're an idiot. Realize it's turned off and open the flame. Now, you should cover it until it is boiling hot. When it's boiling, get your steamer basket, put the dumplings inside, cover, and steam it for around 7 minutes. When done, serve. And this is how you make authentic Chinese dumplings. If you like the video, please subscribe. See you next time.